There is seriously so much stuff in here. Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Skin. So today I want to talk to you about subscription boxes. This one arrived yesterday and this one arrived the other day. Max has already had his hands on it and he has been just manhandling it, or Max handling it I should say. So I have just started to invest in subscription boxes. There's a glossy box coming on the 1st of August. I realised with all of the shopping and spending that I do, I really want to try smaller products so I can review them for you. So this one is inspired and shown to me by Sherry Ann. Thank you so much, darling, for showing me this. For £20 I got so many products, and the Look Fantastic box is a 6-month subscription that I have signed up for, £13.50 including postage and packaging. So we'll talk about all the prices. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start with the big box, and it says Beauty, and the sponsors are here, Fabled, Marie Claire. So the first thing I got was this Tangle teaser. These are around £12.99 anyway, and I absolutely love the brand Tangle teaser. I remember when they showed this product on Dragon's Den and it wasn't well received. There's this AMELIORATE Smooth Skin Science Transforming Body Lotion, which resurfaces the uppermost layers of your skin. Now it contains the unique LAH6 skin hydration complex. So I really think that a lot of us maybe don't have time to look after our legs, our feet, get a pedicure, especially not these days. So body hydration is very, very important. This Nails Ink nail polish out of office. I'll try and show you, actually I can't swatch it because I've actually hurt my... There's this Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth Blur Primer. I've actually used this before. I highly recommend it. I really, really like it. It's basically what I was saying to you before, that there's a little bit of silicone type silica in there, and it smooths over your skin, fills in the pores where you want to have the foundation glide on. So I do recommend that. It's a cream boost gel multi-correction. I can feel that's instantly hydrating. It's thinner than a cream, definitely like a gel. Eye cream in there, 3ml, sorry, this is an Estee Lauder 3ml eye cream. I mean, eye creams generally only come in 15ml anyway, so it lasts so long. I love all of the A&R range. There is this Damage Remedy hair repair from Aveda. I love Aveda. Firming Fiji face oil for dry sensitive skin, and it has bois de rose and patchouli in there. So, oh, it comes loose. It's definitely an oil texture. There's not much in it. The shade Latte. Now this is a Instagram filter in a tube. Its revolutionary technology minimizes blemishes, covers imperfections, and smooths the skin for a HD skin finish. So I'm very intrigued about this color. You get 10ml. I've never heard of this brand. Does give a nice finish. Don't know if it's the right colour. I might do some little Instagram posts and see how these products are working. Then I couldn't believe I got this eyeliner. It's Black Magic, and I think it's from Eyeko. Yes, love that. I got this Lord and Berry lip liner. It's a beautiful nude shade. I'll put some of that on now as well. It's really nice sometimes to put lip colour on and then put your liner on. It makes your lips look a lot bigger. The Hydra Veil comes in this little pot. Like a gel, doesn't fall out. CC cream. It's an illuminator. Comes out white. Maybe it's one of those ones that adjust to your skin tone. Yeah, that's adjusted. I think I need to start trying more of these CC creams and BB creams. This item here, which is a morning boost mask. Now in the morning I don't have time to do masks, but I'm gonna try. It's supposed to be energizing, lifting, feeding, hydrating and soothing. Oh, there is a seal on this. Smells kind of muddy. And then the last item is this Balance Me Natural Skincare. I have been wearing eye cream since I was about 16 years old. There was a particular brand that I started off from who said to me, and I will never forget, that you need to dab your eye cream like so with your ring finger and push everything up. Then I never forgot that different eye creams suit different people at different ages. So if you're about 16 onwards, there's no reason that you don't need to try an eye cream. You just need to use a hydration one. And then as your concerns get more and more, then you can start preventative or lines and wrinkles and all that fun stuff. So all of those items were in the New Look Pick Me Up box. Let's go ahead and look at the Look Fantastic box. Hey guys, I know the 80s called, they want their hair back. So it's really, really humid here where I am in the UK today, and my hair is just going absolutely nuts and frizzy. Comment down below if you've got frizzy hair. This is the Look Fantastic box. I'll put all the details on the screen on exactly how much I paid and what subscription I went for. Now, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you get in this is the Beauty Sleep Minerals and My Vitamins. Now, I haven't tried this brand, but I don't take vitamins that I don't know, so I'm sure it's very good, but this is not something that I can review, unfortunately. Second thing in the box is this Mádara Deep Moisturizer for all skin types. It's reported 100% firmer looking and smoother skin, so that's very interesting. Let's get this open and smell this. Wow, it's a night cream, but it smells very citrusy, which I find a little bit odd because citrus is usually quite revitalizing and is a morning situation, but I do need a night cream, so I'm going to try that. It's very lemony. Rose and Lemon Enriched Body Cream. So let's get that open and try this up. I think I'm going to have to commit to body creams now, because if I'm getting all these subscriptions, I have no excuse but to use them. Oh, that feels lovely. Yes, very nice. Next in this box is this tiny serum from This Works. It's the Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. I love anything hyaluronic. If it's got it in there, I want it on my face. So 2% hyaluronic acid, slow release vitamin C, helps plump and brighten the skin. I'm going to start using this and doing little Instagram stories of what I'm using. Last couple of things. I was really happy to find out that there was a blush brush. Not that I need any more brushes, but it's an Eyeko brush. It's got these little indents there for you to hold it. Shall we put some blush on? I think that would only be the right thing to do. So we'll do some Patrick Tar. Do I have anything else handy? Going once? Nope. That is a lovely brush. Synthetic fibres. Great stuff. Now the last thing I got is the Matte Me from Sleek. Now we may as well try this on. I'll swatch it for you now. I'm very wary of matte colours from different brands because I don't want them to dry out my lips. My favourite lip pigments are the NARS Power Matte lip pigments. They are amazing. I think they're laced with different ingredients and they just are so divine on the lips. So let's take off this gloss and try this on. So let's go in. It feels very smooth going onto the lips, and I can feel it drying down. So we'll give that a minute before I tell you what I think. So basically, the subscription boxes that I'm going to be getting, I'll be filming those every month when I get them. The next one, Sherry Ann said that they come every month, I think, and that they're £20 and you need to get them when you can. All the links, everything's going to go down below in the description box. Next, I'm going to be filming any new releases that are coming my way. I'm just waiting for deliveries. We're going to go giveaway shopping together. Like I said, I've bought so many high-end giveaway products for you for 1,000 subbies. Now, so my lips feel, the colour is lovely. The colour is lovely. So guys, this lip colour is beautiful. It feels really comfortable on the lips. It's a tiny bit tacky, but I don't mind, because at the end of the day, we ask for matte lipsticks and then we get matte and then we say they're too drying. So I absolutely love this lip colour. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.